What is up, Manor High School? Welcome back to yet another episode of MHN Sports Center. And with that, our first winter sports update.
Yeah, I'm very excited for this winter.
Oh yeah! We just had a quick episode for our first update. So let's send it right down to Stack to give us a hockey update.
The Maynard Aspet co-op hockey team took a tough loss to Dennis Yarmouth by a score of 10-3 on Saturday. Maynard's very own Nick Tenaglia scored in the first period, and Brett Peterson and Thomas Ryder scored in the other two goals. Yesterday, they took on Grafton. After one period, they had a 1-0 lead thanks to a goal scored by Assabet's Thomas Ryder. Grafton then scored 2 in the second period and 2 in the third to defeat the Aztecs, 4-1, handing them their second loss of the season. Their next game is against Worcester on Saturday at Naven Arena in Marlborough at 8 p.m., so make sure to go show your support.
A tough start to the winter season for the Tigers, but there are plenty of more games to come.
Yeah. Oh, and I cannot wait for the rest of the winter season.
The indoor track team traveled to Fitchburg High School to race Bromfield for their first meet of the season. The boys unfortunately lost 59-30. Leading the way for Maynard was shot put thrower Will Fallon, who threw 24.10 feet. Alex Squads, who ran a 9.8 second 55 meter hurdles. Harry Lenachek, who ran a 7.6 second 55 meter. Gabriel Ryan, who ran a 5 minute 11 second mile. Will Cahill with a 1:53 600. Henry Sullivandale with a 41 second 300. Evan Moore with a 3:53 100 meter. And the team of Henry Sullivandale, Sean Leahy, Harry Lenachek, and Alex Squads with a 1 minute and 53 second 4x2. The girls unfortunately lost to Bromfield 45-43. Leading the way was shot put thrower Anne Dupra, who threw 23 feet 5 inches. Natalie Champion, who ran a 13:57 2 mile. Izzy Berg, who ran a 10.6 second 55 meter hurdles. Brianna Genta, who ran an 8.6 second 55 meter. Sylvia Smith, who ran a 6:22 mile. Kaylee Donahue, who ran a 2:09 600. And Allison Sharon, who ran a 4:04 1000. Both teams will try to rebound against Air Shirley next Wednesday at 5 p.m. And now to Nolan and Mike to send us out.
The girls are at home, so make sure to go support at 7.
Yep. Oh! And before we go, we have some breaking news in our very own MHN Sports Center team. Evan Moore has committed to Franklin Pierce. Let's give a round of applause. Yeah.
Well, on that fantastic note, that's going to do it for today's episode of MHN Sports Center. Make sure to keep tuning in. As always, go Tigers.